In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to transfer photos from a MacBook to a Windows PC without losing quality. So there's a couple ways to do this, but the way I personally do it is via Google Drive. So this is nice and easy. All you need to do is go onto Chrome or any sort of browser and just type in Google Drive. It's this top link here, drive.google.com. So if you click that, you will need a Google account for this. It is free to sign up, so just do that and you'll have 15 gigabytes of storage for free that you can use. So you can either use it on the browser like this, or you can download the app. There should be a little download icon just here. Obviously I've got mine downloaded already, so I've got the open an app button. So to actually upload a file to your Google Drive, what you need to do is press this new bit here. So press that, and you can either create a new folder or just press file upload. So once you've found the file you want to transfer over, all you need to do is click on it and press open. And once the upload is complete, it will pop up here. So mine's arrow.png. Now if you want to download it, you just click on it again and press this little download icon here. So if you press that, it will scan and it will be in our downloads. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped.